Hi there, math champions! Welcome back to Math with Teacher Jean. Today we're going to explore a super handy tool for learning addition that is Friends of 10. Let's dive in and see how these little helpers can make math easier and more fun. Are you ready to learn our first addition trick? Let's set a goal, and that is to make a friendly number 10. Remember, in every addition problem that we're going to solve, our goal is to make a friendly number 10. Are you ready? So, how are we going to do that? Let us recall our lesson about number bonds. So remember, number bonds split numbers into two parts. Let's say we have the number 10. If you can remember on our previous video, number 10, we split it into 6 and 4. So on this video, we are going to look for all the other parts of the number 10. And we're going to call this number friends of 10. We have here 10 buttons. So to represent the two parts, I have here two bowls. So let us make our first number bond for the number 10. So for the first part, we have 1. So we're going to place one button here, and we simply put the remaining buttons on the second part. So for our first number bond, for the number 10, our first pair is 1 and 9. Very good. So for us to remember the different friends of 10, we are going to have a very perfect tool. And that is our two hands with 10 fingers. Okay, let me show you how to do this. So let's have our 10 fingers. Now let's think of different pairs that make 10. We are going to put down one finger on our left hand. How many fingers are still up? We have 9 fingers up. Very good. So if we're going to put 2 fingers down on our left hand, so how many fingers are still up? Yes, that's right. We have 8 fingers. Moving on, let's put down 3 fingers on my left hand. All right, how many fingers are still up? We have 7 fingers. All right, and putting down another one, we'll have 4 fingers down and 6 fingers up. Very good. And for our last pair, we have 5 fingers down on my left hand and 5 fingers up on my right hand. Therefore, we have the last pair double fives. All right, so we have the following friends of 10: 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and the last is 5 and 5, or the double fives. So for our first example, I have here 8 plus 6. Two addends, and both of them are one digit number. So let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. And on this other plate, we're going to put 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 5, 6. So our goal is to make 10. So we are going to transfer 8 on our plate of 10. Is it already 10? Oh, we still need 2 more, right? How did I know that it's 2? Because remember, we memorized the different friends of 10. 8 goes with 2. Yes. So we have 8. We'll move 2 here. So that will be 10. It's because 8 plus 2 is 10, remember? Alright. So now we have a complete bowl of 10. We now have our friendly number 10. So what's left on the other plate? 4 buttons here. So, what do you think is the answer? 8 plus 6 will now become? Yes, that is 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. What if we're going to do this mentally? Well, so let me show you how to do that. I have here 8 plus 6. So this time, we have 3 empty circles. The first thing that we need to do is to bring down the number 8. 8 goes with 2. And where are we going to get the number 2? It's from the number bond of the number 6. So let's break the number 6 apart. So how much do we still need? 4. Alright. So we have 8, 2, and 4. Why is this 4? Because that is what remains after we decompose the number 6 into 2 and 4. Very good. All right. So now we have 8 and 2 is our friendly number 10. And what remains on the other bond is 4. Therefore, we have 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Good job. So now, let's try a different example. We are going to make 3 addends. Alright? So for example, we have 7 plus 6 plus 5. So what are we going to do? We have to make our magic pairs. So let's have 7 first. So again, what's the magic pair for the number 7? Yes, that is number 3. Because 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Very good. What will happen to number 6? Alright. So for the number 6, we have the double threes. Good job. So now our magic numbers are 7, 3, and 3. Now that we have 7, 3, 3, and 5, it is now easier to add 7 and 3 to make number 10, and we can add the 3 and 5 to make 8. So now we have the friendly number 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Let's quickly review. Here are all the friends of 10. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and the double fives. Remember, when you know your friends of 10, it's easier to solve addition problems and understand numbers better. Thanks for joining me today on Math with Teacher Jean. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new math lesson. Remember, math is fun when you learn it step by step. See you next time!